Manufacturer recommended parts are an important part of maintaining your Volkswagen's optimum performance. At Heritage Volkswagen of Union City, we offer the same high-quality parts your vehicle was built with, and we make it easy with our online parts form and appointment scheduling.
The 2012 Volkswagen Routan. Hang on to your sippy cups. The Routan handles like the quick and nimble German-inspired auto that it is. European handling and an electric stabilization program yield improved driving dynamics that make your Routan yield to you. The spacious interior seats 7 passengers with room to spare, and it easily accommodates every passenger's needs. With features like available fold-in floor 3rd-row seating, 3-zone climate control, a DVD player, and 2 9-inch flat-screen monitors capable of independent operation. Plus, every control is within reach from your steering wheel with an optional electronic vehicle info center. Every Volkswagen comes standard with a comprehensive set of safety features. The features work in harmony to both help you avoid an accident and protect you if an accident is unavoidable. The 2012 Volkswagen Routan. It's what the people want.
At Heritage Volkswagen of Union City, request a new vehicle quote and enjoy quality service from our service center. Go ahead and schedule your appointment online or order any part you may need. Come see our professionals today or find us on the web at atlantavolkswagen.com.